One of the things that we also encourage young vines or weaker vines or replants in a vineyard is the fact that if we know we're not going to be putting on a lot of supplemental irrigation through the growing season because of the nature of the much larger vines, we'll punch a hole into the soil surface about 18 inches and put in this used recycled drip hose down to or below the root system, and then put the spaghetti tube in as far down as we can. And the reason being is if we're only going to give a short irrigation of 2 to 3, 5 hours, by the time the water comes from here and wets the soil surface, we're probably already done irrigating. Therefore, the point being is that we're not getting sufficient water down to the root system of these much smaller or younger vines. Again, these vines are at a challenge because they have two vigorous partners side by side. They're not getting the nutrients or the water when we do irrigate. So one thing that we have learned is that we can encourage better growth, a healthier vine, by putting in a used drip tube and then putting the spaghetti tube from the emitter down, so when the valve comes on and we start to irrigate, water's immediately at 18 inches down at the root system. And again, it's a way to help encourage more growth in these younger vines or these replants, or maybe sometimes we have vines on rocky soils. We'll do the same thing because we know there's a significant amount, we understand there's a significant amount of evaporation even in the irrigation during the daytime from water from here penetrating that soil surface before it actually gets absorbed into the soil.